We tested the same financial prompts across Perplexity, Claude, and NeuQuip. Here's what happened. Unlike others, NeuQuip structures the report, starting with an executive summary, detailed ratio analysis with good-bad commentary, and clear closing remarks. NeuQuip goes beyond yes or no. It justifies the decision with numbers and context. NeuQuip delivers risk factors tailored for investors, directly from the financial report. NeuQuip doesn't just list risks, it prioritizes them with clear impact analysis. While general AI tools give generic answers, NeuQuip is designed for financial analysis, compliance, and reporting. Try it free today at neuquip.com.